You know, so after me beat him, man, the man I said me no win. And he like flash from my side and me go by line before man say, me say, so my tuner said to me, no, say, where I do look at you, I go back out. Me say, how you mean if I go back out? I'm winning my main car, fast like my car. And me go back out and me beat him next time, me beat him now, piece and piston, jack out a gun and a man carry, come give it.
They have all the good stuff. All right, for those just joining with us tonight, we have live online with us Mr. Oniel Little T Henry. So we just jump right back into it. Tell us, who is Oniel Henry? Who is Little T? How did you get into racing? Give us a little background, history.
Yeah, well, you know, me and the sound system before we leave out and then take up fast car thing. Great one general named Liar. Everybody's supposed to know that man. Do I?
How long ago was that, Oniel? Because me in my 30s, you know, and from as far as me can remember racing, you know, me always hear about Little T, you know. So how long ago was that?
From 96.
96.
Yeah, man. From 96, you know.
Okay.
In a sound thing, and then Liar introduced me to the racing thing.
Yeah.
Liar said, yo.
That's a Liar from Olaba where you have it.
From Olaba, yeah, man. Grocery getter, Liar. Liar with the grocery getter. You know, Mark II, grocery getter, the original Liar.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. He encouraged me and say, yo, you know, it's a racing thing. If you go like, come here, I say, yo, you know, it's a sound thing. It's a sound, man.
Yeah.
You know, but he always say, yo, make it come in a fast car. And I said, boy, you know, say fast car, expensive.
Yeah.
So I said, no, man. Every minute you mash up speaker. And you have to buy back speaker. I see money. So I said, you know, so I'm going to try fast car.
Yeah.
So, you know, so after that, no.
The fans them ask if you can rotate your phone, because you turn sideways, they want you to turn the phone the next way. So yeah, man. Yeah.
Let me set you.
Yeah, man. So when you say you bust up speaker, so the man say if you can spend that money in a car or no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The man said to me, say, boy, Oniel, you have spent too much money for a speaker. Because we also play four 15-inch jail audio.
Yeah.
We also play, and we also play like we also play 8-inch, 8-inch RDAX, four 12-inch EV Gold Series.
Yeah.
So, you know, we have a nice sound system.
So where sounded name?
I see him Little T, man, Little T.
Okay, so you had the
sound Little T. Yeah, man, but so, yeah, man, go hold a competition, win couple trophy and thing.
Yeah.
Tell him, man, them say, yo, don't with the sound thing, man, because it's sound thing too much bad, man, and me I said, no, sir. Can't bother police and everything, you know,
Yeah.
so you go to some competition just to enjoy yourself. A man will say, yo, I'll keep a thing at one little plaza and we go there and we'll play some music and thing. Then, you know, police start running and, you don't know, police things set up. Everybody want a little small change. And,
So
I said, this thing now going to work out. So I say, you know, so I go fast car thing. Yeah, man. So, you know, so after now, me come down a Senti, down a Peppers, come buy one FX. I go buy one FX. Then time they choco just get film FX.
Yeah.
So I say, me go buy the FX and I say, you know, I'm going to try with the FX now.
Yeah.
My one was a 4A, they did my FX.
Yeah. And that turned out which year?
You that was from 1994.
94.
That is from 94, yeah. That's from 94. So when me have the FX now, me I say, when me I look on it, me I say, no sir, then me have a B13. Me have a B13, a GTS. B13 also. Me have that also, but that was like me like a muggling car. the SR20. But you know, you look a Magdalene car.
Yeah, man.
That car where you go out with and stuff. So I have that. But the man never said to me, say, why? So man never said to me, say, why you know, set up a Nissan? Me I said, brother, my Nissan, me no want nothing to do it. I eat me and Magdalene with anywhere me I go, and Nissan me drive. Toyota, the FX was the 2-door, so I said, that is a car with me I go fast with and have it for race.
Yeah.
Anyway, the FX, it didn't a record for me. It didn't a record. Because when we did want to do, it didn't a record. So I said, boy, you know.
So like what kind of plans you did to it?
You know, it's a carburetor we did have on it for Webers.
Yeah.
Webers we have had on it. Then time there no injector, man. Injector now run them, no time injector now run. Was carburetor, blow through carburetor now and them carburetor there. It's SCU blow through carburetor.
Yeah.
So we also got check that we have a virgin named Papi. Him did specialize in a mini. So him always a fee mini where him use carburetor, the spare carburetor. So me also link with it. He say, yo, but we can modify for the car. So I say, yo, you know, you will come side of me and we can put the car together and so
yeah.
All right.
I watch him and I learn same time.
I learn same time, yeah, and thing and but when we realize, I realized that boy, him say film carry them fast. And when we see that, I said, no sir, them a carry no fast. You know a car, modern car will not touch fast and fake car where you see a modify.
Yeah.
So I said, oh, you modify a car and you know fast and it stop car with me. So from that, me tell him, say, no sir, better me sell out them and this not gonna work.
So you say you lose your ratings in them that time?
Yeah, man, me lose because of the FX, man. And I say, nah, gonna work out. So after that, now, we buy one EG Civic.
Yeah, but you say at the same time that Choco did buy film FX too.
Yeah, man, same time Choco that is FX. In that film FX.
Okay.
But Choco them man.
After a long time, Choco there.
Boy, you know, so one time, man, Choco did race and the man gave out a race. Don't burn him. Yeah, man gave out a race. Don't burn him, man.
Yeah.
Because you know what's that? It's like in the day when we race, him come and qualify, he must qualify 12.9.
Yeah.
And me qualified 12.0. Me was the fastest 12 seconds the day.
Yeah.
And then now hardly them go set up a race. I said, boy, a long time I want to say Oniel and Chuku now. So I said, all right, hardly. Go and do your thing. Do your thing. Say, you know, hardly say, yeah man, go set up a race. So you know when hardly just set up a race now and the man them fix the leather and thing I say. Oniel Henry and Neville Ag.
Yeah.
So I say, I never know Chuku full name.
Full name, yeah.
I mean, I tell you, yeah, because you know, so Chuku and Chuku is a man, every man in used to link up at night time.
Yeah.
So we used to go for Team Black at night time.
Yeah.
So when the man tell me, so I say, what? So I come to me and say, boy, look at you. Look at Chuku for kill you now. And I say, yeah, man, about you, man, I say, he is the one to do that.
Yeah.
So you know, so Chuku tell him and saying sick.
So hold on, which car you did that drive and which car him did that run at the time?
Him that drive the Starlet, him that drive the green Starlet, and me I drive the black Civic hatchback.
All right. Before we go in at the story then, tell me now. You say you buy after you sell the FX, you buy a black EG.
EG.
All right. That I know which year.
All right. That I believe was 2000. No?
2000.
2000.
So at them time then you say you that start takes racing serious.
Serious, yeah man. We start taking it serious now. Taking it serious. So you know say when I talk about the EG, it was Chris now. When we get the EG, come like a brand new car.
Yeah.
So you know say we used to race at one place in a Portmore name. We got E-Service that set up. So yeah. That build up the E-Service building. Like you call me and said, yo, you know, so me find a spot where we can go race. I say, yeah, say man. We say, all right, because them always encourage me, say, yo, don't want me to go Orange Park. And I said, yeah, Orange Park always far, you know.
Yeah.
So, when we go, where the place now, Portmore, you know, said E-Service now, and we go there, and you don't have never ready.
Yeah.
So we go bus to race, you know, when we go race, someone youth named Dino. Dini. Yeah. Dini come from Perkins Boulevard. Yeah. Dini about EG like man, but he modify, have a whole lot of stuff for female now. But then I say, my car faster, so you know, so I never run against Dino. So I go run against Dino, Dino give me around 2 car, and I say, man, where this youth have in a car.
Yeah.
So you know, so after I find out they have in a car.
You did have the garage run or you just full run with car?
Yeah, man, me have a garage run. Me have a garage run, but me that work for companies. Like me also do digital and me also do some little company. We also do wrecking work them time.
Okay.
So like me also do haulage for digital. Me also carry all of them plant and Claro.
Yeah.
Claro, me also carry the plant to Claro. You know that company there, Claro, the telephone company. Yeah, man. Me also carry on the plant them to them. Like when they get a generator and stuff, me also carry them on.
Yeah.
And stuff. So, you know, we have to do a little work as usual.
Yeah.
And,
so you have a garage and then the passion for car and things.
And the passion for car, yeah. But as we say, I just straight servicing we used to and mostly Nissan we used to work on. B12 and 13. Those are just change engine because none of the company them, I just Nissan them used to have.
Oh, okay.
So only thing we do is just change engine, change transmission, front end, and car gone back a road.
Car gone back a road. Okay. Yeah, so tell me, I know, after Dini come and 22 car led there, what you there to do, you know?
I talk to liar, I say, boy, liar, come on, I have to boost this car. But then we don't know about no management now. So I say, boy, liar, because I have boost no liar. I say, where's the little tea, man? That's why I forgot to boost, So now I start doing all of my little investigation and say, yo, you know, man, terrible. So that time I say, when we have no management run, so I say, liar. I want one of the 5th injector we company Marto. You know the cold starter company Marto, one little injector. We come from the intake. We tell you more one of that, can never modify that. But we never use VTEC for carrying that when the VTEC come in. So I said, boy, the you know, say it can't work. So when we turbo it now and try it, it worked. But we used to get checked like when we check the code was map sensor. Like map sensor can't read the pressure, but we never know that.
Yeah.
So a man now, I talk to one of my brethren with that fire, and I say, yo, they make one will look like wasness now. They get some bleed off one-way valve and put a whole heap of one-way valve on it to bleed off the ear.
Bleed off, yeah, man. They
learned the ear.
About 2004,
Yeah, man, and the man tell me, say, they get some of that. So when we go to junkyard, they know me just look a whole by them and get some T fittings.
Some T, yeah, man.
Some T, yeah, man, they look at plastic T, them, man. A junkyard, we get them now. Junkyard, we get all of them stuff here. And then now, when we get them and we fit it up and we drive it go out and we know see do nothing and we see manifold get red and me I say, liar, what is? The man said, why? I said, you have a manifold like a red done. I said,
Yeah.
I said, so he said to me, I said, boy, look at the year ago. You know, say I reach back a thing there. And so you feel me now. And I say, yeah man, we say I reach back, man. Say, yeah, I know, I say, one day we are gonna reach back. We go test car now. When we go on the stretch and start running the car, we go push. I wonder what that. I say, liar, what that? The man say, boy, I'm the engine blow up. Engine blow.
That's your first brr.
That I first brr me. I said, Jesus, peace. Anyway, that time me also have like one little spare engine. I'm a car with my love to drive one. So, me have a little, a D15 like that about now.
Did get rid of Nissan then?
Yeah, no man, me have a Nissan same way, man. Nissan did not drive, man. Me have a Nissan same way, man. Nissan just cover up, man.
Cover up.
Me no get rid of Nissan till late one of my budget come from foreign and see Nissan and offer me a money. I'm sorry, take it a fear on that.
Yeah.
You see me, cause me a man no like sell now. It's like how you see me park up my 2S2000 and people are call me and say, boy, I only don't want a S2000, but me not sell them that. As long as me live, me not sell it. When me dead now, if me pick them want to sell it, I feed them problem. You understand? My last one. And I saw me see.
Yeah.
So I just saw me as a man. Yeah, man. So you know, so after now, we say, alright, I reach back thing now. So you know, so we change the engine, put in back in next engine, we go and reach back. You know, so I'm a youth name Chaka Chamba. You know if you know if you hear the talk about youth name Chaka Chamba. Ask anyone I watch him and them man. You have Chaka Chamba, you have one name Tom Humphrey.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I've me and him the man and then we have one virgin who start to race name Fire.
Yeah.
Fire real general, me I tell the man. And Fire we say, boy, the tea. Boy, car sound good no. So you know say Chaka Chamba race part 2 donut wheel. That I say we don't know about speed no. Chaka Chamba started about 2 donut with that CT9.
Yeah.
See? Me I run a TD05 me I run car and I buy no turbo like go buy no turbo.
Which engine did I carry at the time?
Me having a D16 single cam.
Yeah.
D16. Limited box now. Then that they are single can limited box.
Yeah.
Me I run now. So you know, so after now, every time me and Chaka Chamba run, me win. Chaka Chamba them say he finish in line, and another side finish in line. And I come back and tell him and they say, boy,
you know,
me win little tea though.
Me never know say so far that story about Orange Park I come back and me always all in a modern time I know me I hear say man say finishing line and push back little.
Yeah, I saw that a long time no do it. A long time no do it, man. I push back it, man. I mean I tell you say you know, so me tell him and them say, yo boy, Chaka Chamba them a thief no man. Every minute when we win a race, them will push it back. Say you know, Glenn always make a one pass through though, but you know when he pass through you can't see him back again no. When he pass through no. You know, one bad pass through, man. And then soon go mash up. You know, see, but not at all, man. But I said, where there? A man said, that mash up, man. That now come back. You see me, but I feel more cheap, say, that mash up now come back, man. I say, but me not tell line when Glenn can't move, no. Machine, me I tell you, no.
Yeah,
but
man.
now is that go wrong? Yeah, man, and we did it as usual down there, go and do some race, I go and get like a fame down there and thing, and the man I say, yeah.
Wait, say, Orange Park, you use a billion name then?
Yeah, man, I mean, use and build my name, man. But you see, the thing is, we see too much people we have got Orange Park crash and man mash up and man dead. So them think that, you know, me I say, yo, this thing is not right. You can't bother with them thing. Yeah, real thing. Me I say, this thing, because then time me and my youth, me have a couple around 3 youth, them time there, me I say, yo, me don't want and man crash and that thing, because as me say, we lose some friend. We come from Orange Park and well, per thing me I tell them. Yeah. I just say, you see liar, a good youth me I tell them, a good youth, but boy. Yeah.
So when you start officially participating in a official drag racing meet, for, I guess this would have been say Vernon Field days then.
Vernon Fields, you know, say I believe me and Damage start the same time, no, same year, no.
Yeah.
Me and Damage them start the same year. I always look up to Damage because Damage always come with some car, but don't know. I always look up to Damage them because they come with some car where look mad.
Yeah.
But the thing is, the car them not stable, so we always say, yo, them can drive, no, because the car not stable. You have him all about the place. I mean, I said, look, imagine a man who bowl like car, so it's a look bad, no man.
Yeah.
And think, but after we start understand and say, boy, you know, say, the car, them, the front end and the car never right. But actually, might be damaging in I look on it. The toe in them with the wheel, them never right. So that's why them always have a car both.
Yeah.
But when they look, I tell a man, say, yo, general, you know, say front wheel, them not set right. And a man, we feel like a disrespecting.
Yeah.
Tell a man, you understand? So,
yep. We soon touch upon that one day because you give some man some advice in our modern recent times and then take you wrong way. But we soon touch upon that one day. But watch me now. Man. All right. So Oniel Henry, Little T, we know you as a mechanic, engine builder. In terms of setting up your car, them back in them days they come up. Who you were the builder, you know, say fabricator, or you used to outsource fabrication, and who did your tuner? Why your experience with them over here?
All right, Orisha Brown. Yeah. Orisha Brown. All right, no, let me go back from Orisha Williams first. Yeah. All right. We set up one EK. I have a friend of mine, the name Salaman. So me I said, so Salah say, yo, we want set up one nice car, race car, and we look clean and nice now. So anyway, we buy a couple of stuff and then we make race stuff then. So you know, so after we done turbo car, as we said, this is a D15 now, standard now. Yeah. So we go check Orisha Williams. Yeah. You're supposed to know that guy, Orisha Williams. So I drive go at Perkins Boulevard to check Orisha Williams. And I said to himself, Mr. Williams, you know, so we don't like a tune this car to anything. So actually, what kind of management we have? And I said, we have no management.
What am I talking about?
We have talk about. So we are saying, so him tell me to forget an Altec now. So I say, all right. So when we hear price, I get them, I said, Jesus, please, that's so much money for that.
Yeah, yeah. But I say you want to go bleed out, so
yeah. So after that, so he came to, you know, he said, so much for a boost of plant to run. I tell him, we want 5 pounds a boost. The man you away from the yard. The man said, man, you don't go on when I go. I'm not come from Mark.
Yeah.
So come in also there I want place a Clarendon we used to sell phone card. I want plaza around a Guinea tree or somewhere around the so.
Guinea tree, yeah man.
Guinea tree. A long time I thought about that, but me, so me drive good over there, me drive good over there, go check him now, and I say, yo, I want to start out the car. I think that man, I said, no man, a big boy is him deal with man. So me say, all right.
Can't touch no
so,
5
pounds. Nah, trouble, yeah. So me link with Orisha Brown now.
Yeah.
Orisha Brown say, all right, here I go. I buy the management, I buy AEM, and some say, all right, Mr. Brown, I can work with that. They end up now by 2 a.m. That I want big AEM, you know, AEM then come big.
Yeah, man, the big box.
Big box AEM, yeah, man. Yeah. Me is the second person in Jamaica get an AEM box.
Yeah.
Second person. Remember, I said, nobody know nothing at all about AEM. Everybody will go with no. Them don't know nothing at all. No, them don't know nothing. But I plug and play. Yeah. So when we go for Orisha Brown, we plug it in a car and car couldn't start. None at all. So they call Orisha Brown and I say, alright, he might come check me and stuff. So when Orisha Brown come check me, car never start. Something never right. We don't remember is what, but he never start. So I say, man, I can't go to the computer now. So now me take up my laptop now and start fast with it. It can't start in the evening. I call him back and say, yo, you know, it can't start.
Yeah.
I say, what do you do? I say, boy, I just dip on the laptop and try some things now. And it can't just start now. Yeah. Anyway, after the car start and we take our back the computer and put on it. You know, some look at data, stand up on the computer and break the laptop screen. I know laptop had enough money that time. You know?
Yeah.
Broke the laptop screen and I said, Jesus, please. Come like me not start the tuning thing now. I said, me don't start the tuning thing now. I said, come like me not start the tuning.
Zine. So, all right, which machine is it that you campaign first now? Was it the same Civic?
The Civic. Yeah, man, the Civic.
Okay. All right, tell us the setup that you're running back then now on the Civic at your best time.
Well, the Civic was a single cam. Was a single cam, D16. Turbocharged.
Fully built or stock?
No, was stock.
Yeah? So what was the best time?
12-0.
You're kidding me?
Yeah, man, 12-0 was the best time.
12-0 from a stock D16?
Yeah, man, D16, from a stock D16.
Wow.
12-0.
All right, so what was the next upgrade after that though?
After that, a B series, I go straight B series. I go B16.
B16. Okay, so I mean, what caused you to change though, Lickety?
Well, I think me did one little me plans alright. Time for go down 11-second class. But we go B16 and still there 12s.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man, B16 still there 12s.
Well, all right, tell me something before we even go any further. How you get the name Lickety?
No, I say Lickety is like I'm a son name now. So I say, yo, the youth want little youth now. So here I go and I give my name now. Lickety. And from today at Lickety. I'm a business my business license as Lickety.
See, because when we look at your name, it is Oniel Henry. I don't see no T in it at all.
No T in it. Yeah, man. No T.
Okay, so a man just call a Lickety and it stick.
Yeah, a man just call me Lickety. My little virgin used to mock me and talk about, oh, this is the boy named Little Tongue now. You understand? You know, they're born, I love mock people. So I say, yo, that's something here, man.
See it. All right, so we moved on now to the B16, you said. And you're still in 12 seconds for a little.
Still, for a little while, yeah. Still in 12 seconds.
Would you say that you're disappointed though at that point?
Well, you know, this thing was a trial and error, and but the thing is, whenever I buy like no aftermarket piston, them time there, you know. Them time they be that try a thing with all the supercharge, the 16, the 16 valve, 4AG. We that try with them piston because, as I say, forge parts expensive. And you know, we couldn't spend a little money, so boy, we got to buy forge parts just to go enjoy ourselves.
Right. So you use a 4AG piston in the B16?
Yeah. In the B16, yeah, man. In the
B16. Okay. So, yeah. What was the result from that, though? Was it successful?
Yeah, man, it was successful, man. Well, we also make like almost 400 horsepower. We have it, and it'll go on good. Till one day we say we're gonna turn up the boost, we carry up the power more, and then after we carry up the power, it black, the engine black break. So the sleeve crack. So we have to end up by our next B16. Stock piston, go on run again.
Well, look at it sound like couple motors. I mean, the success that you have today, you deserve it because you go through a few motors.
Yeah, man.
The trial and error thing.
Yeah, man. Whole per engine we got through, man. Whole per engine. Got through whole per engine. Because as we say, through me operate a garage. Basically, everybody will have a parts place normally. Them know me. Because when I buy engines, like when I buy engine, we buy like 5 engine, 6 engine. You understand? So we have a discount. So if I go and see them have a B16, I buy it for myself and put it down. Because that's why engine can mash up now.
Yeah, so you know, stack up.
So I always stack up. Yeah, man, I always have engine. Always have
All
engine.
Right. I remember Lickety, well, my first, if I go into my memory box now, I remember when you had the black Civic and it had like some rainbow colors on the back.
Yeah, man.
And them call it the Rainbow Coalition. I say go?
Yeah, that hardly give that name no.
Is it?
Give that name because after some people that lick out on the name, because people might say, oh, you come out with a gay color and way. But me I say it's a color what me like. Me just you understand?
Right. I don't like you come out and promote anything like right.
Promote anything, yeah, and then you say, you know, man, you use it. Somebody said,
yes, drop that. All right, we move step forward a little bit. 11 seconds now. You managed to go into 11 seconds with the Civic.
Civic, yeah, man. Win trophy with 11 seconds, you know.
Yeah, man. Did you go as far as 10 seconds in that Civic though?
Yeah, man. 3 times 10 seconds with that Civic, man. Three trophy me have. 3 10-second trophy me have. 2 are Vern and 1 are Jamress. Yeah, man.
Where's bro? So hold on, where's that machine now though?
You know, say my brother St. Elizabeth did end up get it. Because I'm the first person I test the 4-wheel drive Civic now. I'm the first person I do the 4-wheel drive Civic in Jamaica. And me and one guy named Archie have a machine shop at Wolava. Bannister. Yeah, me and him started and him got sick. And finally him get sick, we just scrapped a project.
So you were actually going all-wheel drive with the EG?
He did finish. I just couple little things left to do. He did finish, but as I said, the guy they get sick. Me just scrap the project. Me just scrap it and a guy from St. Elizabeth come and see car and say, yo, can offer me a money for it. And to me is a boy then time the love sell. Me don't come and start me about me just sell it, man.
Zin. But, and this was like how long ago? Like what, 2006, 2005?
It was 2005. 2005.
Wow. So this all-wheel drive, you know, era that we're in now, you know, you were already ahead of the game doing a conversion from them time there.
Yeah, but he did do the conversion, but a whole lot of things did happen to me now. Because they end up crash and mash up now.
What you say, bro?
Yeah, man, end up crash and mash up, man. The man, them know, man. Because them they are company radio say me dead, man. Crash, mash up, man. Because as me say,
out here in Jamaica?
Jamaica man can't fly over a light post, man. Yeah, man. Everybody's supposed to know that,
Oh,
man.
yeah,
Me never,
Felicity.
alright. Well, when I was abroad and come in and my brother them say, yo, you know, so more a long time I eat fish, Jamaica fish. Cause pay fine, you know, fine fish or them big and I say, yo, you know, say, more some fish. So I have a friend of mine here, Marcel and Danny. Them live in Wolava. So them say, yo, them keep a car wash at Wolava Bay. So them have some link up a biker crew for them and things. So I link up a biker crew them and I say, yo, I could drive the S2000. Then the blue S2000 fresh now. Fresh car, you can find fresh. So you know, me say, now I'll go beer. So you know, so I reach a beer now, and we buy a couple case of liquor, couple box of liquor. After we buy the liquor, them now we say, boy, you know, so me feel hungry. Man said, let's say them all get chicken, and I said, no sir, can't come from foreign and go eat KFC. Anyway, then go buy them KFC and things. So me say, yo, me want to go to Mr. Grandison. Me want to go to Mr. Grandison go get some soup.
Yeah.
So you know, after now, you don't know, I have to give them a little entry. So I give them an exit now, me spin the car.
Yeah.
When you spin the car,
nice
the car, nice of place, the car touch the curve wall, slight touch curve wall, but not no mash up for me feel, but you know, you can't stop same time when that happen, because it will look away for your spin car. I go and both and go look for the car, mash up. So you know, we don't get road and look if nothing pop off, but nothing pop off. So I say, yeah man. So we just go to Mr. Gandison. Get some soup and stuff. But the road did bad. Then the whole of the road did bad. Coming from gutters, come my side was bad. So you know, say with the car, you know, we barely. When we leave out from Wolava, get the soup and drink, and then no. Me call my wife now and I say, Stace, want you warm up the food for me and some tea, because the soup when I get me never like how it tastes. So just warm up some tea and food for me. So anyway. After now, we leave out, coming back to my side now. And when we reach gutters, I go through the body road. So I start squeeze come towards our house. So anytime I come towards our house, you know, so one brother, like, him try to overtake me. So I wonder what, but I not penny. But as me said, you know, you're not think. So you know, I start overtake now. After I overtake the man drive out for me, I run the side of the car. So you see, coming to the side of the car, I have to take a sidewalk. You know, loose dirt and real drive.
Right.
The car lick the culvert. When the car lick the culvert, the car fly. I look on the light, the bulb itself. Cause the car, as I say, I tap it off of the car. I convertible.
Yeah.
It tap it off. So I look on the light, wheel and I go over the wire. So same time I start to say, Father God, please now beg you help me and save me.
Yeah.
Anyway. Can drop on the top. See how we drop on the top, no, on the wheel, can drop up on the top. So I try pull the seat belt, and the seat belt can't pull, because seat belt, they rip me to no. Seat belt tight up. I try pull it couldn't pull. Anyway, after that now, we get a man see the car and come out same time and use a knife, ratchet knife, and cut the seat belt. Take me out tight. Then time my virgin in Ghana, then no, because they don't know what take place now. So them take me out now, carry me go hospital. So when me the hospital now, you know, when me the hospital, they, you know, them put up an observation as usual.
Right.
But the time, me did that why doctor said, me have internal bleeding now. Because we did lose, how we did lose? We lose one friend we have internal bleeding and him dead. And I say, same accident thing. And I say, me push in my finger in my belly, and me feel my finger push out back. So you know, say the internal bleeding. So I say, the doctor said, you know, me have internal bleeding. Anyway, after that, me no remember not all after that. No.
Blackout.
Blackout. So you know, say after that, no, me in a coma. Me in a coma for 3 days. In a coma for 3 days. So you know, say me doctor said no. Me man them say, if Mr. Henry don't wake up 12 o'clock now, he might come off for the life support machine. They tell me I hear everything now. I hear everything and I try to move my finger and thing, but me can't, my finger now move. So, you know, say, if next day we have to take care of me, I tell me, say, 11:59, as if it got 12 o'clock, you see my finger start move. And then we wouldn't go call the doctor then. Yeah, man. Then time
you're serious?
Yeah, man, and we wouldn't go call the doctor, say, Mr. Henry alive. Yeah, man, all the hospital, me have to buy them all TV and them thing, them, man. Fix up your hospital, you spot me them, man. Fix up in a room, man. I saw me deal with it, man. Yeah, man, me deal with it good, me I tell you, man. Buy a couple TV, give them, man, and sort out. You spot me did there. You ride when me did there, sort out. People, man, it's sticky, you know. I carry coconut, everything, food, all the food people are carrying, you know.
Boy, look at you, one thing I can tell you, you're blessed still, you know, bro. And everybody go through an encounter even similar to yours and make it, you know.
Boy, me I tell you, that's why I tell you know, all of my friends, me always tell them, say, brother, you see what me go through. I tube the all about, I tell you, tube in my nose, my nostril, my throat, then cut my side, tube in my side, all about by my tube them. I can't tell all about.
Yeah.
So me, guess me, so after that now, you don't know when me start recovery, you know, me I tell the man them say, yo, yeah, go on, general, done the racing thing now. You see me, I tell you, a church man, that me I tell everybody now, you know? A church, me have a testimony, and you know, my pastor come to me and say, boy, Mr. Henry, you have a testimony now. And I say, yeah, pastor, man, that man, I do it, you know, that. So, me do my yard for 1 year, because doctor stopped me for 1 year, so me have some heavy duty equipment. Me start sell out some of them there because doctor said me say I can't drive. Them the big me have me big me have when I new frontier them then time there. Doctor said, brother, all of the vehicle you can't drive now. You can't drive none of the vehicle, you can't drive no low car again now. You have to get like a nice comfortable bus. I said, no, started doctor them tell me. I say, all right. I say, oh, CRV still. Then time there 2005 and 6 CRV. Them there is a van. Them time.
You're right.
Some tell me a lady say, you're one. I go buy 2 CRV, you know.
Yeah.
I love laugh off of me. Anything me say me I do, they always laugh off of me. Catch you, me a man, we not chat my business. You see me and say, me a man, talk me a man, if me work and me save. You understand? Me not squander money, me save the money and thing. So me say, yo, so me link up on my budget with an import vehicle. And him say, yeah man, that is 1 2 man.
Yeah.
I beg him buy 2 CRV and me have one for carry me around. Cause you know them say me can't do no driving and whatsoever. So
right.
Did they tell one day me I say me lift up a cover of a car and me I say, Chen what's that? Look how enough money carry mash up man. Everybody I say, boy look at you have 1 money and go buy S2000. The time the S2000 is a car, you know.
Yeah man.
Because me can't forget me go on an auto source that I want a bolt. And when me on a bolt, me see Peter Jagan, Urel, what of them me see. So them I say, look at you, we are doing that so. I say, what do you mean I doing that so? I can check Chris Moore white. I say, so if you come and have a garage and a Honda you deal with. I say, you mean? I say, brother, you mean if you come I say, yo. They must say to me now, then time they everybody that going at the car thing, I wonder what kind of car is the car that a man to buy. Because most people say, I buy Subaru, I buy Hevo, and things. So I tell them, say, yo, I tell you something. That before me get S2000. I tell you something. You see, car when me I buy, that car run taxi, and it's a charter taxi, and a whole lot of money we have charter when we run taxi with that. So man say, me did them. I say, what kind of car that? I say, no more say S2000, man. So through that though, for that Peter Jagan and them and them and then kind of said, no sir. You know they might not remember you know still no. If Bolt member Bolt, the man said, no sir. I said, yeah man, I really think man. Because
so you go back and buy another S2000?
Yeah man, go back and buy an XS2000 man. Go back and buy an XS2000 man.
So it was just in love. You just love S2000.
We just love S2000. For me, I grew up, I always want when I own that top car. It's an NSX, me did really want, but the money fee, very expensive.
Yeah.
Very expensive.
See it. Well, all right. The S2000 though, because I think you raced it a couple of times. What was the best time?
No, but again, best time was 12-0. But listen, that car, me not get the car stable. The car make well power. When we go down the race, the car they depend around 800 horsepower. But as we say, the car that skate with me and the man, they must say coward. As we say, me that just come out of the accident. So you know, me kind of
that little. Yeah.
I have a friend of mine now named Nancy Cook and Adrian.
Yeah.
So me I talk to Nancy. I say, boy Nancy, You know, so every time I come and race, I make a race at race 2000, my head hurt me and me feel sick. And man say, yo, you have to take some pill now. You have to take some pill. So from that day, I always carry pill when I race now. Just carry pill. Yeah, man.
Even today?
Even now? Even now, man. Yeah, man.
How I say?
Yeah, man. Let me take pill, man. Anytime I go out there, man, me take pill, man. All right, you see, all right. This is the last jam race.
Yeah.
You see, the blue car when I carry the Civic, we run 10.1 second. You know why?
Which one of them? The one with the K or the one with the B?
Yeah, the one with the K. One with the K. One with the K.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
You run 10.1. You know why me not go back out with that car? The brake. When me the brake through the front wheel, the wheel brake system with that one, it lock up it and the car still a skate and go down the track and run off and blow out the front tire. That's why me not go back out with that. The car they go through on 9 seconds now. Yeah, man, the car they go through on 9 seconds. But as me say, the brake, somebody just tell the man, say, yo, me nah go back out because I can't manage the next accident.
Yeah. So, but you put things in place though for fix that for the next meet though.
Yeah, ready now. I just COVID-19. I'm going to done with, and then when Kenty I took care of around 9 so. Cause my tune up name Puffy. You know Puffy?
Yeah.
Some man talk about Puffy and man with this and that. Me can tell us something right now. Puffy I work for me and Puffy I best. So you see, I work for me. Me nah make a man who I work for me and make a this him behind him back. Me not believe in that. That the man that I work for me, him me I work with. You see me I say Puffy's a man listen. You see when me go to me, alright. When me run with the blue car, you know, and we go the car it boost cut. And I come back and I say, Puffy, something not right. And Puffy said, boy, I only know me never date a laggy thing. And I said, boy, I don't know about the car. Something, but Puffy I said, all right, now go check. Anyway, we tell Puffy say, all right on it. And Puffy turned down the boost. At that made the car run a 10.1. Because the car go with a power where if run 9 seconds. And the car not dial in yet because at the first the car drive. Understand?
But hey, look at it. You have to go name them two car there, because a two blue car, you know.
Yeah, we name them now. We have sticker them. We have put sticker on them now.
Yeah, we want differentiate.
The B series one, a Dylan Robinson. So I start drive the B series one. Dylan
Robinson. Who will drive it?
Dylan Robinson. Everybody know him, man. Dylan Robinson.
Okay.
He might start drive the B series because guess what now? I get old. I drive the record good on now. I carry down the car them from the record. I do mechanic work. I do enough things. So I get, you know, you
share stuff, you share some of my work then.
I share, and then now we have some young Thundercat who are coming in our business, you know, a thing set up. Because we have a new Thundercat who are coming in our business. We have a couple of new men who are coming in our business, man. I tell them, I'm going on, I see them do something. I told them, because very now go so I go on there, no. Yeah. Very now, because so I go on, man.
But let me backtrack a little bit, look at you. You build quite a few insane machines over the years, because I see persons in the comment talking about the red EP3 where you built up.
Mad car, man. That car they have
machine.
A machine. Well, we are waiting for the parts them for the gears. So you know.
Okay.
That's why they're not to come out as yet.
Okay.
We did go some gears, but it never worked out. So
okay. So it's coming back then.
So
the EP3 coming back then.
Yeah man. Sure man. Sure man. Sure.
Well,
because the next EP3 friend, my brother, and then watch side the next EP3, I want him see how EP3 runs still, because we are use K20, 20 we are work with doing, not 24. We are work with K20.
Hold on a little. Hold on. They said the guy down at Ochi with the EP3.
Yeah man, the one with they say have bull per ask for one thing, man. You know, oh man, then
the yellow EP3 you're talking.
Yeah, the yellow EP3. Yeah man, the yellow.
Okay. Oh, so you're gonna show. You say that when they come out now, you're gonna show him how EP3 run.
Yeah man, we show them how EP3 run.
How you mean?
But when I tell us that the EP3 I got 9 so we are start the EP3 at 10s. You understand?
Okay.
Low 10s we are stop it.
But look at you. Remember, say that same yellow EP3 that you're talking about, you know, it gone all-wheel drive now, you know.
Me know, man. Remember, say everybody will watch people on Instagram and everything.
Okay, yeah, but you still have a beat and teach.
Yeah, man, a two-wheel drive where I use, man. Where I use two-wheel drive.
But your red EP3 is supposed to be the fastest. What time did you run again?
11.3 second.
Whoa.
11.3.
Wow.
With everything. Only thing we pull out are the driver seat. The next passenger seat we pull out. Sorry, this passenger seat we pull out.
Whoa. 11.3. So that is officially the fastest EP3 in the island.
In the island, yes. That is the fastest.
All right. Well, look here. I would have loved to see a little ding dong back right there, so still between the EP3 them, you know. I'm not lie, you know.
Yeah, man. It's a go happen, man. With the EP3.
So before we move on, is that a call out? Are you calling out the yellow? Well, no all-wheel drive EP3, Ken Star. Are you calling out Ken Star?
Ken Star, man. Yeah, man. We are calling out Ken Star, man. When the time right, as we say, when COVID done with and we put in the gearbox parts. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Ken Star.
All right. I love that.
We want to see the difference. We want to see the difference with it. But remember, it's not like when a cuss or anything, a friend race.
Yes, man. I mean, no, Ken Star, when Ken Star watches, he must laugh and say, boy, yo, you know, the war turn up, you know. You know, see it. So it's a good look. It's a good look. Yeah. Look at the all-wheel drive thing what we see are going all over the place now. Any plans of going all-wheel drive with any of the machine?
Yeah, man. I buy more the blue Civic. Supposed to get four-wheel drive. I buy most of the stuff for that car. You know? I buy most of the stuff.
The K? The one with the K?
The K. But guess what now? You know, my team, everybody went against me and accused me. I say, yo, you know, run a 9s yet with the two-wheel drive and you want to run go four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
But me I tell them, say, yo, remember no, when me go 9s no, when me run 9s and go low 9s, me done with the racing right on a 9s, me I stick no. Me not think about no 8, no man not tell me about no 8 second. And 9s. Me no 8 second, me chuku them go down a 8 second, chuku them my friend, then go 8 second, them that 8 second man. Cause chuku them brave man, serious. Me no want no jam. When them man that wiggly carry go down there, me I said, Jesus Christ, chuku hold it.
So look at you say you're not going to 8.
No, me not go 8. Me not go 8.
9s is enough.
And 9s is the lowest. Me I go and then me I stuck at 9s. It's like that's what I tell you. Like me always watch Mr. Edwards no, Herbie Edwards. So them man godfather for the business. So them man they just say boy look at you, right now me I go around 11, then they move and go at 10.
Yeah.
You know,
when I get used to it to the 9s, you might consider the 8s.
Yes, well, yeah, and then no, if me have sponsor too, cause sometimes you have to look in on them something, you know.
True that.
Sponsor do a lot. If you have
sponsor, True that. I hear some people in the comments, you know, talking about the color of the pill, you know, where Nancy recommend for you, you know. It's not blue.
No man, no blue pill. No blue pill. But blue pill have a different thing, man. They know blue pill.
All right, trouble. But you know, just to get back to things though, we'll soon, for persons who want to ask Lickety any question, you can start to pose some question now, you know, because we're at 10 o'clock, so you know we soon wrap up. Yeah, but Kenty, Lickety, boy, too much tea for night, you know, man. Lickety. So the next meet out though, what can fans expect from the K series Civic?
Well, the K series now supposed to run 9s now, because as we say, I was a break.
Front wheel drive. Was a break was a problem, and we start out the break. And you don't know, we have to work with the tuner also, because you don't know. Puffy is a man who love touch it little. Puffy now give me whole life for one time. No, Puffy no that. Puffy we get the whole of the power of the dyno, and then after we go down a jammers, we turn it down back and then we start. We tune it. Can we have to tune it? You know we have to tune it because basically, as we said, we always a left from dyno and go race. Shock. You're right. So no time for really.
No time for preparation, so that always a mash. So we try our best, you know, through the look of COVID-19, you know, we say, all right, here we are going. We have to make sure sort out everything for the car then. So when everything get back by running, the car is supposed to start out. We're just supposed to go dyno. But you know, we still have to wait for Puffy, because you know Puffy live in Miami. So we have to wait for Buffy to get the car and 2 run. You have to get a 2 run for the diner. Because you don't want disappoint the fans and yourself that you say, boy, you're going to jam with and you can't get to make a run. You understand?
Yeah.
Them things they make you beg sometimes, but you say, true is a man with jinkle for rum. When we go down there, not we just start beat some rum. And yeah, fun same way.
You know something, Lickety? You know, say in all the years when me know you, I first never see you, first never see you talk this like conversing this much though.
Yeah, man.
Always Lickety not talking.
Yeah, man, a real thing, because as me say, you know, some of my people them, boy, when they said this and that, a man will carry back your name. So I try, you know, you understand?
Yeah,
just
limit
like
certain things.
Just like how Oniel have a concept wrong, like he believes that we are belittling car, he says. You understand?
All right, let's talk about that real quick before we go to the question then. Oniel say you said that it's the slowest 11 seconds you ever see.
See, yeah, but the thing is, I never said that no. But when me I try to tell him, say, how the car move. Remember, I said, we use a turbo car, you pay, rip up tire and go on somewhere where I say, yeah, machine. Remember, I said, no, they never get hold of wheel spin now. We are say a machine now. They have no proper traction like we on the off. You understand? So
technically, you never mean no disrespect to Oniel.
No, sir. Remember, I said, Oniel, a man, we can check me now. And me check on here when me want to look at buy and thing. So I don't know disrespect. I mean, I run a business. Me not no time for that. Me not no time. You know.
So why Oniel? Me not understand why Oniel wouldn't feel like say styling.
They styling, but we not styling, man, brother. We not styling. Style Oniel that be a man with a prep school. I mean the we high school long time. You see me I say? So you don't know in yeah, because look when me I run 10 seconds. A long time I run 10 seconds. 3-2 for me I be 10 seconds. 3-2. You understand?
Oniel just a join the 10-second bus.
Just a join the 10. My fast is 10 at 10-1. And we have alright. You see thing is it Kajen? Alright. We basically remember so we come with our EF now. You remember that ready EF?
Ready. Hold on. Yeah.
We are killing over them, man. I remember one Civic, we are killing over them 1 year, man.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
We come with that car, and that car, the car, as we say, the car make whole power, and the car I run good. But guess what? The car never stable. So the car have me all over the place. Every time when we squeeze nitrous, me not squeeze on nitrous. That car profit tune the car if you use nitrous. So you know, say my colleagues them know I say, boy, little T, boy, you get cold, man. Really, you don't want to squeeze the nitrous. You know, so one day at Veronam, the ball giant, when we run 11s, the ball giant jump out. The ball giant jump out, and the car skate go straight across the quarter. And when it catch a fire, man, the car catch a fire, man, I'm out it out and thing. And pick it up. And I said, boy, you see it? Boy, that's why I say, yo, the car, the car no stable, me just don't like how the car feel and thing. So then now we decide say, yo, we're gonna scrap that project. And go EK, because EK body is a little newer body and we can simulate it also and stable it up and this is the B series one now. We stable it up now and come a track with it. Come see Burnham team. The first pass we make at 10.4 seconds with that car, you know. The first pass now we make with that car at 10.4 seconds.
Off the trailer. 10.4 off the trailer.
10.4. No nitrous this time. No nitrous. I mean, I tell him and them say, you see it? I just see body I care. I say, yo, car drive like one little road car. I drive now. Man, I say, we are selling tea. I say, yeah, car drive like one road car.
Machine, man. Look here. And anybody who know Lickety know say Lickety has been doing it over the years. You understand? You have made a name for yourself in Jamaican motorsport history. You understand? And you are still racing.
Still racing, and you know, so one point in time, we did all at Dover.
Oh, you?
Yeah, man, we did at Dover, man.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. We have one black EG, we set off with Dover. Roll cage, everything, man. We did run IP45, then we got 37.
Okay, I never know that.
Yeah, but I'm tongue here, and then we have a DC5, we made a race down there.
Okay. So what caused you to is it that you'll go back to circuit or
All right, Kejan. You know, say the back stretch. You start with normal walk come in. We walk with yeah. Then you know, say when me that run 37, IP 37 that time. You know, so when we come on the back stretch, just you know, so the top control and me have a camber kit. The top control and slack up, and the car spin and go in front of the big one go tree.
where is it?
You know the big, yeah man, you know my big one go tree right there, sir. Yeah man.
Yes man, right I get.
Yeah, me tell you, me have an accident no, and me can't try to read back no. So that no, that day me kind of get frightened and.
Shake you.
I say boy, you know, so me no want and things of you have. Now cool off I do about it. Cool off I do about it. I stick to a jam. So I jam. Yeah man.
When you said it too much corner thing come like it now work.
Corner now work man. And then we have one youth use the name Neil pass off you know. You know Neil is a pigeon. Yeah man.
No, we support together man.
Neil man, he crash up Oakwood, man. He crash up Oakwood in crash. I believe in crash.
Okay. Seeing. But watch this now. You know, say a blue pill if you name me carry them little tea. Call them blue. A blue pill if you name. But you know, as we getting back to things though. We're going to allow persons to ask a few questions, like about the next 5 minutes before this live ends. So we take five quick questions from the Subaru, from the comments. I threw that sicky type Subaru, you know. Okay. Question quick for Lekoti, so we can wrap up. All right, but in the meantime, look at the, okay, somebody's asking how the finger missing. Yeah.
Why I want turbo no? You know say, how the finger missing, say it's like one day Speedy man. Enough man supposed to know him. Speedy man, Junior. Some friend from Speedy man and them bridging them come check me. Then go check for something on there. So the EG, say the EG, like me I show them something from the car. So say car did a chuckle. After I carry a chuckle on one piece of cloth jack down in front of the turbo. So me I said,
yeah, try to save it.
So me I try to take it up. So I said, take up the cloth, it chop off piece of finger. Blows and
whoa.
Chop off piece of finger. So after I see man one of man jump a gun. Me I wonder, me I say, what go on? They tell me finger cut off, I don't know what go on. So me
what you say?
Yeah man, then the finger cut off and I don't know what go on man. So then now me
you don't even feel it?
Me not feel it man. If I'm bridge is a power with my name, Thieves 1000. In the on the veranda talk to my mother. So Steve come to me and I say, I want to me I say, boy, finger cut off now. So me just roll it and I don't know, drive a guard, run on my doctor. When I go to the doctor tell me say, yo, you have to go to the hospital first before you can check with them because you know, and that. So go check with the doctor now. My doctor was Dr. Tomlinson and Wall. One of them named Wall supposed to know politics thing, you know. Dr. Wall. Yeah man. So them come from B now. So if Dr. Wall I said, boy, look at you, know, easy at all, man. I said, boy brother. A turbo cut off, you know. So it's alright, now call it a finger, a turbo finger now. So when they see me a turbo finger, they say more call it.
Hey, you know the Jamaicans are best though. We take everything and just turn in a joke or a name, you know that?
Yeah man, a real thing man. That time
man.
Me used to go link up with David D-Chick. Yeah man.
Yeah.
And so one the little thing for me car a soldier. D-Chick have make soldier work for the car for me now because I tried me some finger gone now so a soldier. Used to do one for me car because my finger gone so you know so I just relax. And think
See. All right. All right, more questions now. What is the most horsepower you ever made with a Honda D series engine?
D series. Them time there was 360. D series. That is the most me ever make. Them time.
360.
360.
Okay. Somebody's asking about the blue car, if it's a K20 or a K24.
K20 A2.
All right. What kind of B series was in the EK? B16 or B18 or B20?
It's a B16B. It's a Type R motor. That black we purchased that black from Perry. Everybody's supposed to know Perry.
Yeah, man, Perry.
Yeah, man. I even buy that. Perry can tell us a B16B, but what we do, we put a dark sleeve in it.
Oh.
Sleeve.
Seen. All right. Matthew is asking, how much single camp and boost your boom at Orange Park?
Around 15 to 20.
Massa. All right. Moving on. What wheel horsepower did you make with the 10?
With which one?
With the, well, both cars ran 10. So what wheel horsepower
10.
you made with the K and the B?
All right. I want to know the K have around 20 more horsepower from the B. That's the difference. But the two car basically make 800 and something. Yeah, 800 and something. I don't remember exact, but 800 and something two car make.
All right. Jordan Turbo EK is asking if the K20 is stock or built.
Stock black. No, not we having piston turn rods. It's a stock black. Just a stock black. Just a black.
Okay.
Stock black.
Okay.
Valve chain. Stock valve.
Okay. All right. Lifestyle Settings is asking, what year did you first started racing and how different was it from now?
Well, we start racing from 97 or 97. Me and Damage start from the same time, or 97. We start racing. But we never take it serious. We just want to know we're up on the scene.
Right. Is it the 360 horsepower D series that ran the 12.0?
Yeah, run 12.0.
Okay. Dre Skull is asking, which you prefer, the K series or the B series?
All right, you know, so I tell you, girl, the B series feel mother, K series smoother. That's the difference.
So drivability wise, the B series more aggressive.
As I said, me look young, but me not young like how people might think. Understand? they might say me that they're far from 50s now.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Is it people? You understand? We see how you look, too, we keep your body. People see and say, yo, I'm young, yeah, man. But the B series, as I say, B series aggressive, but aggressive, man.
Okay. How much horsepower the S2000 made?
It make close to 900.
Wow. All right. What kind of fuel you're using now?
The B series?
Well, for both.
Both car will use ethanol.
Okay. All right. All right. Soldier Racing is asking why you not like answer phone.
Soldier knows that when me dey on the work, man, me can't get to answer the phone.
Yeah. You know that guy already, you know, the phone eat up.
Me with that, man. You know, me with that, man. But I COVID, as me say, me and him no link up because me supposed to there alongside my sister, you know, in Maryland, but through the COVID thing, me decide, say, yo.
Just go and break, sicker.
Go and break. But every time if you leave, a race meet come up, somebody just say, yo, me I stay for the race. After the race. Because the last two jammers, no, as we leave, as we done the race now, I'm come home, we just beat straight to the airport now. Leave. Yeah, man. Sleep. Tell me miss because it's a connecting flight. Tell me miss while I'm fly. We have a mash up.
Yeah. All right. Somebody's asking, who builds your engines?
Me build all engines for my car and my friend among custom.
All right. cool. What's the fastest time with the B16B?
13.3 seconds. 10.3.
Okay.
10.3.
10.3.
Yeah.
You ever do an all motor project, Lickety?
Yeah, man, we do all motor. All right, the first all motor. Me is the first man in Jamaica. All motor K series. We make the Morris horsepower.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We make two believe 280 we make. Pump gas. K24
Whoa.
pump gas. Yeah, man. When we make it and we carry the graph go show up Paulie. I don't know if you know Paulie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Paulie then go far back. Paulie then go far back. From Paulie I do alarm and radio in a car. Paulie then go back. From advanced days. From advanced days, yeah, man. And when we carry when we carry the graph go show up Paulie tell me say boy Lickety, you know say dying on I wreck. And I said, no man. What do you mean dying on I wreck? I real things.
It's a wrong figure you get.
Wrong figure, yeah, man. Let me make that car for Mr. Chung. For Mr. Chung, yeah, man.
Yeah.
For Mr. Chung and the Paulie know better. Mr. Chung, yeah, man. Up to today, you know. Other day, Puffy tune it and he make 275. Puffy tune it other day. Not about a whole per years. And if you understand me, I say whole per years.
Yeah.
It's just like the race car. The race car engine built from around 6 years ago.
Wow. Which one of them?
The B series.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Understand? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cool. We do to that car, I just change island and not a water we not throw tight. The water run. Not a water we not throw tight.
As Master D say now, it only costs him an oil change. So I guess that's the new thing. Just an oil change.
Yeah, man, it's oil change. Only thing we normally do to that car, if we are upgrade, like the other day we upgrade the intercooler and we fit a different turbo on it. Or just that's the only thing we do with it. And you know, when you carry the speed on, you have some little rotten spot, so you know you just get it patch out and
start it out. Yeah. Bali is asking, I guess Bali has plans of going down in the 9s. He's asking, how can I get some of those pills?
Boy, tell Bali say I do some headache pill, we take on some pill for bravery up now. Cause you don't know Bali thing. Bali, I'm a friend now, for years now. Me and Bali a friend for years now. I always drink rum. Bad again. But Bali done the natural and get bad. The man.
Yeah. Carrot is asking. Well, by the way, Carrot stuff a big up.
Yeah, man. I'm general back a long time, man. Carrot are general man back in the days, man.
Yeah. Him say welcome to the Del Sal.
Why when you them checkers, man? You know the man there? Andy. Andy Williams, man, race at Dover, man. You know the youth there. You must know the youth, man. Andy Williams race at Dover. Him come on my place and see Del Sal no half of me money feet now. I say, alright, go on with it.
Just like that.
Man, just like that, man. Cause me say me have 2 vehicles man them thief from me, you know. So you see, anytime me have a vehicle and a man say, yeah, sell it, you know, it's a time for you get rid of it.
Yeah, true. Cause they will come back and buy it, you know.
Yeah, we come back and buy it. So me also have that the concept of when a man say, me just sell it and go on.
Just let it go.
Yeah. But last time I try to keep antique, like the S2000, that is an antique. If you drive your man, I go call me and say, oh man, I drive the car, and you alone drive the car.
Yeah. Ricardo Scott is asking what kind of oil you use.
You know, sir, last oil me use a mobile synthetic. We get some from Shellland to buy. That a Shellland race at Dover. You know Shellland race at Dover.
Yeah, man.
I'm a buy.
Shellland Morgan.
Shellland Morgan. Yeah, man. I'm a buy the oil.
All right, cool. Okay, Lickety. We're going to allow you if you just do a quick big up and thing before we wrap up, you know, before the timer count down.
All right. Yeah, man, you don't know. Big up Corey. Big up all of my fans. Big up July, Dylan, Myri. You don't know Orion. Whole I man, them Bang man. Whole I man, Dougie. Boy, amount of man with that big up Damage. Puffy. You see me and said, Nanchi. Boy, I whole people big up Van. You see me? I big up everybody here, man. I big up Biggie B. I big up the whole Jammer school. You don't know.
Straight.
Fans and everybody. Even on here we born we out tell we say we are digging up seal because if him start press, if God shot beat and him start press, we are gonna miss him. So we can't run with none of them and everybody will want to race with full as usual because without no competition. When you understand, so the thing is everybody will big up. You see me, I say all I little man them.
So you say you big up on here, regardless.
Yeah, man, I big up all man them. I'm not against them. I big up 876, I big up all man. Fabs them, 520. Elite lifestyle, I big up all man them. We massive Glen, all man them. Yeah,
straight.
Man. You see me?
Straight.
But you have to say you have to man. Squad, yeah, man, I have to big up squad. I'm a general. Every day, man, I book up a parts shop, I buy parts now. Squad, you know. Yeah, man, Swiffy, all of it, as I say, Bean, all man them. Ethan.
Yeah,
Howard.
Me know the whole of us so. Me know the whole of us so link up down the nines, you know.
You know, that me I tell you, man, I tell man, big up even Omar, yo. And I tell you, like, I like down the nines. But why, Omar, I come big and bad, so if I know how this go. The man, I hate. Me know him look figure still, so that better for me. Me the nines, him don't hate. He man bush in the tangle.
You ever get a winner for Omar yet?
No, Omar never have no fast card in time there. Omar never have no fast card in time.
I just come think, Omar the van.
Omar, I went in get the pulsar, you know, man. I saw him get bad man and come up here and start.
Okay. He lucky then, you know.
Yeah, man, that time, you know.
He lucky.
Yeah, man. I tell you, I'm Chris Elliott, they put on good show down now. Me and Chris Elliott now. Yeah, man, nitrous, man. Then Chris Elliott I run good nitrous, and me I run turbo now, with nitrous now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Terrence String. You know, if you remember them, man, the Terrence String. Them man, the VW. It's not to carry the VW. Yeah, man. When they have one name straight prison, then you have a red golf. Then tell me I kill him same way.
Machine.
Enough man, enough of them man, they kill them. We have them big name, no man. Yeah.
Hold on. You know, me need to ask the secretary before we cut. Who have been your biggest rival over the years? Your biggest rival?
Well, you know, I was Herbie Edwards.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, man, every time I work, well, one thing, you know, I shake off me and say, boy, look at it. All right, we see who are going to do it, you know. Yeah, man, I'm like that, we're going to see what I want. But I tell you, no, once in carry coughing dead, no. Yeah,
man.
One thing coughing dead, man.
I feel big up the elder them in the thing, you know.
Yeah,
Uncle Eddie.
All of them are big up all of them, man. Yeah, man, we big up all of them,
man. Believe me. Yeah, Mr. Sidney Nut.
Yeah, man, we big up Sidney Nut. But here I go now, Mr. Sidney Nut, in the app me after him, deal with me now. After me kill him car, I make him jump out, I go on a jam race now. The first time, the man on a jam race. The man on a jam race, that 10 0 run. When me get 10 second trophy. You know, so after me beat him, man, the man I said me now win. And he like flash from my side, and me go by line before man say, so my tuner said to me, no, say, where do look at you, I go back out. Me say, how do you mean I go back out? I'm win him, I'm in car, fast like my car. I go back out, I beat him next time, I beat him now, peace and jump out, I go and a man carry, can't give it. I go when they go show me, I say, so yeah, one that day, they man deal with me again. Me see him, I hear him, and I jam with. Yeah, man. Big up,
Hey, hold on, look at you. You have to respect your elders, them, you know, man. No, you forgot to do that to Mr. Nut, man.
That time there, Mr. Mark and I work on the car then time, you know. Mr. Mark.
Zed.
Yeah, man.
Zed.
But the racing thing is a fun thing, no. Remember, I think it's a fun thing. It's just, if it's a 2-day event, it's just a 2-day enjoyment, no. After that, no, your mind come off of that, no. Straight focus on work and not try to achieve stuff, no, because all you get. You understand? Because you can't do the same thing every day now. You have to remember that.
Yes.
The older you get, you understand, but people don't understand and they say them go young forever.
Yeah.
But people don't understand. But you have to just try to enjoy yourself the right way, the best way you can.
Definitely, bro.
Just not overdo it. You understand?
Definitely. Well, we are pretty much at the end of our live stream. I have to say big up to everybody who night after night you're tuned in. I have to say a big shout out to Look at you tonight. Despite the little hiccup we had earlier, you know, Look at you was patient enough and, you know, he understood the situation. So I have to say big up Look at you. We're really looking forward to the cars from your camp, the next meet.
Yeah, man.
You know, really would love to see a break in the 9 second with the front wheel drive.
As I say, my tune I got to do it now. Tune I got to break my name, man.
Yeah.
Next race beat, man. But see, it will always reach a race late. That is a problem we have. Because as I say, we always are left from dying straight to race.
To race, yeah. But I want you to know this in a look at it. If you break into nines with your turbocharged front wheel drive, you will be, I think, the third person in Jamaica to run on the 9 with a turbocharged 4-cylinder. Yeah, because Xavier and Kenty ran 9s with theirs. So there's not a lot of person who run 9s with them car. You know what I mean? Yeah, so looking forward to some great stuff. Everybody please keep safe. And remember tomorrow, a special uncut. You know, we don't normally go live on a Sunday, but we'll be going live tomorrow at 2. So feel free to join us. We're inviting everybody. You know, big up everybody in the comments. Mr. T, you have to ask me about 9s. So the 9 second king, just as we are closing out, the 9 second king say, you have to ask him about 9s. What am I talking about, Licky T? What am I talking about?
As I said, I don't run 9s yet. So, I don't run 9s yet. When we run 9s now, then the man can make a talk. You understand? I don't run 9s yet.
Okay.
When we run the 9s now, man can make a talk.
On that note, let me just say big up again, everybody. Choco, we'll see you now. Yeah, we'll see you. All right, so everybody, keep safe. Licky T.
Yes, General.
Blessings, bro. Thanks again for making the time. And you don't know, we link.
Yeah, man, all right.
All right, one love.
If I get to big up nobody from Portmore, man, I got a big.
No, man, do your big up, man. Do your big up before we leave.
Team Misery, you don't know spin barrel, everybody. Whole I man them spaceship, you don't know Team Ras built. Whole I man them from Portmore. Don't keep yourself good. Sheldon, yeah, every man but they do it fast car. Just keep yourself good and don't know COVID-19 about Alomesa, Portmore, whole like that. But you don't know nothing.
All right. Let me see, it got cut off now. So everybody keep safe. Bless up.
Keep safe. Cool. Bless up.
One love.
Money that I don't accept.